What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a makeup and clothes haul. It's not very big. I was actually going to wait until I got some more stuff in from Free People. I think that was the only thing that I had, like 3 more pieces, but whatever, I'll just throw it in like another haul. I couldn't wait and we'll just have to wait for that. I have like used some stuff, so there's some stuff that I really would recommend and some stuff I wouldn't, and to be honest, I don't think it's worth the money at all. So first being, I purchased this Sicily hair care. I really wanted to try this out. I wanted to wait till the reviews came out. Of course, the reviews were like amazing because pretty much 90% of Sicily products are worth the money, I have to say. Even though they are hella expensive, I do feel like 90% of them are worth it because they give you like this magical, refined look. These are not one of those products for me, and I think I'm gonna return them. I got the revitalizing shampoo and the reconstructing conditioner. So I just used this once. Okay, so there is, first of all, there is 6.57 ounces in here, and I used it once, and it is right here. That is the amount that you get for a $75 shampoo is bullshit. I did not like the fact that you really don't get that much product in here, number one. And number two, it smelled exactly like the Obagi, which is half the price. It didn't really do anything magical to my hair. I wanted like Rapunzel locks, and I kind of got Wendy from Breaking Bad. And then I also got the reconstructing conditioner. This is actually not terrible. It's very thick. I do think it moisturizes very well, but again, I don't feel like it's worth the money at all. It's the same exact amount, yet I feel like you get double the product, probably because you don't use as much. Honestly, I was not impressed with this, so I don't feel like you guys should waste your money on it. It's just my opinion. If you like want to try it out for yourself, because my friend Teresa really likes it. I just didn't feel like it did anything magical to my hair. And then I also wanted to try out the Hair Ritual Precious Hair Care Oil from Sicily. This I actually really liked. This is expensive as well. You get 3.3 ounces. It's a very lightweight oil, so you can use it on dry hair, you can use it on wet hair, which is nice. If you're looking for like a dual finish oil, it's very lightweight, but it's really, really moisturizing. So I did like this. I still don't think it's really worth the price tag as well. So I'm kind of on the fence about this because I didn't hate it, but I wasn't really wowed by it either. If you were gonna choose between those 2 products and this, I would definitely choose this because I think that this is worth a shot and also worth like a try to see if you like it. It's just not, it didn't wow me for my hair. My hair could just be like a hot mess and just need extra attention because it's so damaged and what's the word? Damaged and just overly processed. And this is like actually really, really good. Do you guys like sparkling water? This is actually really good. It's like the cherry and lime. Oh, it's like, you have to have like a taste for sparkling water, but I really like this stuff because it has a little bit more of a taste and you can put some like vodka in it. It's good. Next product, this was like, you guys mentioned for me to try this, which is the Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment, and you guys said it did amazing stuff for your pores. I think it's gonna be great because I just love Green Glow, and it's not that expensive. It's like 39 bucks. It's pretty good. Next thing I purchased was the IT Cosmetics Anti-Aging Under Armour. One of the best sunscreen I've ever tried. It's tinted, so it gives you some coverage. I really love this. I've gone through a couple of these, and even though I have a whole bunch of different sunscreens that I like to use this on days that I'm like going to the gym or just needing some extra coverage, but don't want to use a powder foundation or any type of foundation. I'm obsessed with this Nars You Greedy Bastards Velvet Lip Glides, and this is in the shade Mine Swift. Yeah? No. Mindshaft. That is the shade. It's like such a pretty bright red, and it's almost like a pinky red. Oh, and these are just so beautiful. I have this in strip tease as well, or stripped, but I don't like it as much. Isn't that gorgeous? It is so pretty, and it just like, I'm obsessed with this. And then I also got this lipstick from Anastasia. It's called Soft Touch. It's a beautiful nude color, kind of like a mauve-y nude. Pretty. It's basically like your cool toned mauve nude shade. I wore this in a video a couple videos ago, and I like it. It's completely matte and it's just a really pretty mauve nude. That would be like the way that I would describe it. It's kind of like almost like a grayish mauve. I actually love going to the MAC counter because I feel like I know every product that MAC carries, and then like when I go, I like rediscover new stuff, or discover new stuff I should say. Combination would be a very pretty ombre lip combination. The first one is Fire Roasted, and it is one of their lip intensity liners. Very pretty, yes, really pretty. I would say like brownish red. That is what I would say that color is. And to go with that would be quite the standout. And this is another really bright shade that I love for summer. This is like a bright orangey, hella bright shade. So there are those. This shade is stunning. I highly recommend it. And I think those two together would be really pretty. And lastly, I was just looking at their blushes and I'm like, why have I never owned this blush before? And it's called Sincere. Watch, I have it. No, that's Harmony that I have. Oh, scared me. Just a neutral peach tone color. Very, oh, pretty. And this is kind of like, yeah, this is definitely a peach, but more of like a matte peach. I'm sorry, more of like a nude peach. First are these, I've got two of these flip-flops. They're called Teaks. I love them. If you've never owned them before, they're very comfy, they're thin, and they just kind of go with any type of look that you're wanting. And I got the shade Custard. Love this. I don't have the glossy ones, I have the matte, and I thought that this would be so pretty for just any type of outfit, because I think I have a bronze pair that's kind of not glittery but metallic. I have a matte pair, and then I have these glossy pairs, and I thought that would be really fun. I got two things from Free People. I actually got like 4 things, but I'll have to wait. I guess I have like a Rolling Stones obsession. Do you see this? I got this cropped tee from Daydream, right? Yeah, Daydreamer. And that is Free People. I love it. Their stuff is really detailed and cute. The way that they just kind of detail things. And then I also got another cropped top, which is it's just gray. I don't know what it's called, but I will link it below. But this is really cute and would be really cute with some high-waisted jeans, because this is fitted. So I got those 2 things. I did get these earrings from Nordstrom, which I'll link below. I'm digging them because they're like really edgy and fun and lightweight actually. Uncommon James. I got some other things from Uncommon James that I will put in an upcoming video, but aren't those so like sexy? I got these jeans and I'm obsessed with these jeans. They are from Frame and they are high-waisted skinnies. Look at the color, but just wait for it. Look at these frayed ends. Oh my gosh, I love. And I was afraid that they weren't gonna fit me right because the models are always 5'10", and they look really cute with like these cropped type frayed edges. And I was like, I really want to pull that off. But the seamstress guy that I go to, he cannot hem these, because if you want to keep the original hem, it doesn't work. I guess he can't do it. So I've always hesitate to get frayed ends because I don't know if he'll be able to hem them, because most jeans, all jeans that are like regular length, I have to hem because I'm 5'5", which I'm not like necessarily short, but like I'm like on the short side of average. I feel like average height for a woman is like 5'6", 5'7", and then over 5'7" is tall, and then under 5'6" is shorter or petite. I'm not petite, but I'm not like tall. There's like my height 101. Anyway, so I've put them on, and if you are like me, if you're like 5'5" or less, they actually fit really, really cute. They're not as cropped as they are on the model, but they're cropped enough not to hit my ankles. But other than that, it probably wouldn't work. I did order a 27, and they are a little, I'm afraid that if they stretch out, they would be loose. So I ordered a 26. I'll have to see if it's too tight and just pick out between the sizes, because I sometimes am just different in different sizes. If this is like If it's like a stretchy material, I usually can get away with a 26, but if it's more of like non-stretchy, I have to do a 27. I found this on sale at Net Porter. It's an Alexander Wang sweater, and I actually bought a couple of sweaters. I just haven't got them in the mail, even though it's like 100 degrees outside. Cute. I absolutely love it. So this is what it looks like. It's long and drapey, and it's pretty, partly wool. And that scared me because I thought it was going to be itchy, but it's actually really soft. So it's like wool and cotton, which is a nice mix because then you don't have like it all being wool and you like want to scratch yourself to death. But it's very soft. It was like basically half off on Net Porter, so I will link it below. Hopefully it's still available. I just got it in the mail this week and I purchased it last week. So I will look it up for you and make sure that hopefully it's on sale because I did find that. Let me know what you guys think below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.